Welcome students to my channel My Way Learning. Today we are going to learn about factors. So basically what are factors? These are the numbers which divide a number and leaves no remainder. Let us consider an example of 12. When you look at 12, it's come in the table of 2 at 6 times and leaves no remainder. So 2 and 6 are the factor of 12. The same way, when I consider 3, in the 3 tables, it's come at 4 times. So 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. The same way, when I consider 1, 1 12s are 12. So 1 is also the factor of 12. 1 is the only number which is the factor of all the numbers. Whatever the number you consider, if I take 30, it is also the factor of 30. If I consider 250, it is also the factor of 250. So the factors of 12 are 2, 6, 3, 4, 1, 12. Now let us consider another example, 36. I have to find factor of 36. To find factor of any number, one should know whether the tables or the divisibility test. If you don't know how to check whether a number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, then you can see my links below in which I have explained how to find a number is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 10, etc. Here I know since it is an even number, it is divisible by 2. Now you have to check by how many times? It is 18. Again 36 is divisible by 3 at 12 times, 4 by 9 times and 6 by 6 times. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. But look at there, I haven't write 1 and 36. As I said in the earlier example, 1 is the only number which is the factor of all the numbers, and the number itself is a factor of itself. Let us now understand how to draw a factor tree of a number. To make a factor tree, one have to use only prime numbers, because in factor tree we use only prime numbers. Here I take a number 100. Let us find out what are its prime factor. As 2 is the prime number and it is divisible by 2 at 50 times. So 2 multiply 50 give you 100. Since 2 is prime number and no further factors can be done, so we just make factors of 50. It is 2 into 25. Again 2 is prime, so 25 is considered as our new factor and its factor are 5 multiply 5. So the factors of 100, prime factors of 100 are 2, 2, 5 and 5. One can do this by using this method. If you know 10 multiply 10 is 100 and 10 is not a prime number, it is a composite number. So we make it in a factor of prime numbers. 2 multiply 5 give you 10. 2 multiply 5 give you 10. So the prime factors of 100 by using this method is also 2, 5, 2, 5. 2, 2, 5, 5. In whichever order you write, like I write in the last line, factors of 100 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 are the same. So the factors of 100 are 2, 2, 5, 5. If you don't know what are prime numbers and what are composite number, for that you can watch my another video which is already uploaded on my site. Now let's consider what are co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are those pair of numbers that do not have any common factor except 1. So if we consider any number which do not have any common factor except 1, as I said, 1 is the only number which is factor of every number. So that pair is known as co-prime numbers. Let's have a look to our example 38 and 39. In this, you see what are the factors of 38? 1, 2, 19 and 38. And what are the factors of 39? They are 1, 3, 13 and 39. If you compare the both examples, what are the common factor among them? It is only 1. So, it is co-prime number. 38 and 39 is co-prime numbers. But we understand from this example all the consecutive numbers. What are consecutive numbers? Numbers which come one after another, like 38, 39, 13, 14, 101, 102, 257, 258 and many more. These are the example of consecutive numbers. So all the consecutive numbers are co-prime. Prime never meant that we only consider prime numbers. Let's have a look to another example. Let's have a look to our another example 24 and 35. And I have to check whether these numbers are co-prime or not. Let's find the factors of 24. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, 35. But we notice they have only one common factor, which is 1 itself. So 24 and 35 are co-prime numbers. Let us consider in another example. I take 24 and 26. You notice both of these numbers are even number. So when I look the factors of these numbers, 24 factors are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And factor of 26 are 1, 2, 13 and 26. But we notice they have two common factors, 1 and 2. Because they are even numbers, so they always come in the table of 2. Therefore, these two numbers are not co-prime numbers. So, in case of 24 and 26, 1 and 2 are the common factors of 24 and 26. Therefore, they are not co-prime. From the above observation, what we notice? If we have two even numbers, they are always not co-prime because they always have one more factor, that is 2. All the even numbers are divisible by 2. Therefore, they always have one more common factor, that is 2. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on my videos. For more updates, see the link below.